Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Muska and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy meal idea that you can put together for Ramadan. By easy I mean like all you need to do is just like put everything in the oven, whip together some condiments, and you're done. So yes, I'm happy to say that I've partnered with Safa for this video. You might recognize their brand, their logo. They're commonly found in the frozen aisle of many halal food stores, and you can actually purchase their products online. As of the time that I'm filming this video, a lot of us are on house arrest, so we're not able to go to grocery stores as often as we'd like, and a lot of us are just trying to limit the amount of time that we spend around other people. It's just a very interesting time to be alive. So yes, I'll make sure to leave some links down below and where you can purchase some Safa products. They have everything from like pizzas to chicken patties, chicken strips, samosas, parathas. Like they have so many items that you can pick from, and it's just very convenient, especially during this time because we don't have access to as many ingredients that we like, and Ramadan is quickly approaching. As of the time that I'm filming this video, it is only like 9 days away, so the typical Ramadan prep that a lot of us like to do, we might not be able to do that. So Safa is definitely a wonderful option. They are well stocked. They have messaged me and they wanted to let you guys know that. And honestly, I feel like purchasing from Safa is so much cheaper than eating out. A lot of people are eating out a lot these days, and it does support local restaurants, but at the same time, if you want to save a buck, I think it's very strategic to purchase from Safa. So without further ado, I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that I put together. It's like a different take on the typical hot dog, and it's going to have an appetizer as well. So make sure to follow this recipe. It's super easy. You can customize it to your liking. It's not that hard. Like you can even put it together with kids if you're looking for an activity to do with them. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, this is the iftar meal that we're gonna be putting together today. Super delicious. It looks like it came from a Instagram food truck, right? You're gonna start off by setting your oven to 350 degrees and placing the desired amount of hot dogs into the oven for 10 minutes. Next off, you are going to take some tandoori naan from Safa. I'm placing 2 hot dogs onto each naan, but you can do whatever you like. And I'm only going to leave the naan in there for just like a minute or two, just enough to heat up the naan. Next up, we're going to place the naan onto the iftar board / spread and place the hot dogs into the center of the naan. And it is now the fun part. I am adding some chutney, some mustard, some Sriracha, because we want these hot dogs to taste amazing and delicious. Now that that's done, we're going to set the oven to 375 degrees and place the desired amount of samosas in the oven for 15 minutes. While that's heating up in the oven, I'm going to put together a very popular condiment combination, which is chutney and yogurt. In my language, we call it marchubai, and it's going to taste so delicious with the samosas. You're going to take your samosas out of the oven and place it onto the spread. After that, all you need to do is place your dates, your glasses of water, and enjoy the beautiful iftar meal that you've put together. It is so easy, and I hope you guys like it. I like to top everything off with a bit of lime juice just to add a bit of citrus flavor. And yeah, that's it. Bon appetit and Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun putting it together. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the new take that I put on the typical hot dog. I think that putting double hot dogs in the center of a tandoori naan is so unique, and then on top of that adding like chutney, adding the mustard and Sriracha to give it that nice flavor packed spicy taste is something that you don't really see in a lot of places. And it also tastes like something that you would find at like a food truck. So very unique. You're not going to find it anywhere, and if you make it at home, like everyone's going to be happy, kids and adults alike. The samosas are so good from Safa, like, and the fact that it was just so easy to put together. All you have to do is just stick it in the oven and then dip it in some sauce and enjoy. Love it. Make sure to check out Safa. I will definitely make sure to leave those links down below. Make sure to check them out. Make sure to leave a comment on what type of condiments you'd put on your hot dogs or mix with your samosas. And I'll see you guys next time. Assalamualaikum. Bye.